Greetings dear esteemed and valued clients, dear valued subscribers, this is ISON. In this particular and detailed video, we will review a quite fairly simple power splitter device. What exactly and precisely is this device used for? On one side you connect it to the power supply, and on the other side you can connect multiple surveillance cameras simultaneously, at once. So, such a device exists in HD analog surveillance, allowing you to connect multiple surveillance cameras to a single power supply instead of using a separate power supply for each camera. You can connect 2 surveillance cameras. We have splitters for 2 cameras, 4 cameras, and a maximum of 8 cameras in our range, such as various options. We are often asked how to connect, for example, 16 surveillance cameras. For this you take 2 8-camera splitters and 2 power supplies. Accordingly, if the cables are of standard length and the cameras are standard HD, then 2 5-amp power supplies are needed. And this way, you connect 16 cameras at once. So, to reiterate, a maximum of 8 cameras can be connected through power splitters to a single power supply. If you have any questions about this device, ask our managers or write in the comments under this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the new video.